In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add input table in Jotform. If you've ever needed to collect structured answers like ratings, comparisons, or short entries across rows and columns, an input table is a clean, organized way to do it. Let's walk through adding one and tailoring it to your needs. First, open Jotform and head into Form Builder, then open the form you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct form so your changes go exactly where you intend. It's a good idea to glance at your form's layout before adding the table so you know where it should live. On the left side of the builder, click Add Form Element. Stay on the Basic tab. This panel is where all standard fields live, including the input table we'll use. If the panel is collapsed, expand it so you can browse the list comfortably. Scroll down until you find input table, then click it. The table will appear on your form immediately. You can drag it to reposition it above or below other fields so it fits the flow of your questions. Now let's customize it. Click the input table on your form, then click the gear icon to open Properties. In General Settings, adjust the rows and columns to match the information you need. You can add, delete, or rename labels to be crystal clear, update the question text to serve as the table's title, and toggle required on if respondents must complete it. Next, choose the input type. Single choice uses radio buttons when only one option is allowed per row. Checkbox lets people pick more than one in a row. Text boxes are great for short written responses. Dropdown keeps choices tidy in a small space. Number ensures numeric input, ideal for counts or scores. Scale is handy when you need a rating range. Pick the type that best mirrors how you want people to answer. Under Options, you can enable multiple selections when it fits the question. Enforce numbers only to avoid typos in numeric fields, allow text wrapping for longer labels so they remain readable, and optionally shuffle columns if you want to minimize order bias in surveys. In Advanced Settings, fine-tune the look and behavior. Adjust column width to improve readability. Add hover text to clarify instructions without cluttering the form. Enable light mode for a cleaner, compact style, and if needed, apply custom CSS for precise control over spacing and appearance. Preview as you go to ensure the table looks great on both desktop and mobile. That's it. With your input table added and customized, your form will capture structured responses clearly and efficiently.